What's up guys, it's TechBud here, and today we are going to be gaming and testing out the performance of the brand new iPhone 12, which was officially launched yesterday. Now the iPhone 12 has Apple's new A14 bionic processor, which is built on a 5nm architecture. Apple claims that this is 50% faster than any other chipset on a smartphone. So I think we all know that the iPhone 12 is going to handle gaming pretty well because of the new A14 bionic processor. But I guess we are all eager to find out how great the performance actually is. And so the games that I will be playing are Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile, two of the most popular games on the App Store. And I would also like to mention that I will be screen recording as well, so you can see the quality on that. And just before we start, I would like to mention that I did make an unboxing video on this iPhone 12, so if you would like to see that, then click the link in the description below.
I need a weapon. Marked a location.
Changing mag! I'm down! Need back! Reloading! Cover me!
Friendly predator.
I'm hurt!
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Missile on standby. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Target's inside! Reloading! Need backup!
Hunter killer drone ready for deployment. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Reloading! Cover me! Watch out! Grenade! Reloading! I'm down! Ah! Oh!
Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
And so that, guys, will be the end of this gaming test. As you can see, the iPhone 12 with its new A14 bionic chip is an absolute beast of a gaming device. It had constant frame rates throughout this whole gaming session, even with screen recording turned on, which just shows you how much more powerful this new Apple A14 chip is. And so that, guys, will be the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.